How to turn off Chase Overdraft Protection. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to turn off Chase Overdraft Protection. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Chase application on your device. Log in to the Chase mobile app or open your website. Once you have logged in, select your checking account tab and further tap on the Manage option. Now locate Overdraft Protection option and choose the None option, and finally tap on the Update button. Disabling overdraft protection may lead to declined transactions and non-sufficient funds fees if you have insufficient balance. So, maintain a positive balance by following the 50-30-20 rule, tracking transactions, and setting low balance alerts to avoid overdrafts. So, this is how you can turn off Chase Overdraft Protection. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.